Portree is the largest town on and the capital of the Isle of Skye, part of the Inner Hebrides of Scotland. Portree is a harbour town, fringed by Highland cliffs. After researching hotel options in the area, we decided to stay at the Cuillin Hills Hotel. The Cuillin Hills Hotel is a family-run business since 1965, with origins in the 1860s as a hunting lodge used by the MacDonald family. From the moment we arrived, we couldn't help but appreciate the true Highland setting of this hotel. The hotel overlooks Portree Bay. There are magnificent views over the Sound of Raasay to the Cuillin mountain ranges beyond. I'm sure this hotel has the absolute best view of the picturesque bayfront of Portree. Each room at the Cuillin Hills Hotel is uniquely decorated, blending both the traditional with a modern, simplistic style of the Highlands. Our room was a king premier with a sea view. It also had a real key, the third real key that we had on our trip to Scotland. The bathroom had double sinks and came with an assortment of bath amenities. There was a separate room for the toilet, and the shower was large and even had a ledge. Mrs. Carnes' favorite thing about the entire room was no doubt the towel warmer. The room was cozy and the artwork very Scottish. The bed was comfortable and the bedding included a Cuillin plaid overlay. The best thing, however, about our room was the beautiful view.
And now a little bit about the hotel itself. The drawing room is a place to be inspired, a comfort in which to enjoy the hospitality of the hotel or a means to live your best life. We did enjoy sitting in this room each night beside the fire, getting cozy and reflecting about our grand Scottish adventures. While in the drawing room, we enjoyed a drink from the Malt Whiskey Embassy. There are over 130 malt and grain whiskeys to try. The bartender was even nice enough to recreate a drink called a Sorrento for me. The restaurant at the hotel, named very appropriately The View, offers diners one of the best views on Skye, and you can also enjoy high-quality local Scottish produce and seafood. We ate at the restaurant several times and found it to be friendly, relaxing, and extremely tasty.
Steve? Must have been inside first. Cheers, thank you.
Just one order of fish and chips, please.
And a mushy peas.
Any salt and vinegar?
And you want mushy peas?
Yes. Yes.
Both, please. Salt and vinegar.
And mushy peas.
And one mushy peas.
Yes, please.
That's £10, please. £10, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right. Let's find out.
Everybody's looking for a doorway.
What you got there, kid?
I'm eating the fish and chips. In the newspaper. It's not really newspaper, but it's paper. Never had a fish and chips in paper before.
And where are we? We're huddled under a doorway in Portree because it's raining pretty good outside, and this is takeaway only. So what's your...
It's really good. Chips are fantastic. I think I gave us a spoon.
No, this is takeaway.
Yeah. It's good though.
Each get you a piece of the fish.
It's hot.
We'll break a piece off and it'll cool off a little bit.
Really good.
Very good?
Oh, it's really good. You won't like it.
Okay, it's all yours. Eat
All
it.
mine?
You're all yours.
Okay, thanks.
Hands are back out. You want to walk on down here? You want to walk back up?
I'm good. We can walk back up then. That was delicious. Thank you.
I thought that's what you wanted to do.
It's the best fish and chips I've ever ate, especially on the Isle of Skye. And it's kind of quit raining. So
You're on camera?
that's good. Yeah, we are.
You should have seen her devouring it. I had to rip it out of her hands and throw the paper away.
And you
She
didn't
was-
eat any, did you?
Well, it was a lot. I didn't want you to ruin your dinner.
You said it was all for me.
We have to eat dinner in...
Yeah, it was really
2
good
hours.
though. It was really good. We shared it and ate what we wanted.
It was very
so
nice. It was a cool experience.
It really was.
I can't see. You know the best thing I bought in Scotland?
That umbrella?
This hat.
Oh, the hat. Yeah.
Does it look stylish on me?
Very.
It look like I could be
Yeah,
heading off to my country state.
you do. You're a laird.
Am I?
Yes.
Oh.
You're something. Now it's about to quit raining again. We're back. Cute little courtyard. A little fountain. It's a back entrance. You can go into your room from the car park. It's beautiful. Flowers. Really pretty.
So, we're having dinner tonight at the Cuillin Hills Hotel restaurant. I think it's called The View.
It is called The View.
And
look at that.
Here's why. That's our view. That's the little city of Portree back there in the back with all the brightly colored houses, shop fronts.
We walked down there
We
today.
walked down there today, had some fish and chips earlier. The bay is just beautiful. You can see the mountains and the sun. It's just a breathtaking setting. And the only thing more breathtaking tonight is my person, my dinner companion. Love you, babe. So what do you have there, Mrs. Carnes?
Miso butter.
Miso.
I couldn't butter. I couldn't wait to try it.
Miso like my butter.
Miso wants to try it.
She likes miso and she loves butter.
It's good.
Tastes like miso. Tastes like good butter.
It's like good butter.
Good butter.
This is that venison charcuterie plate.
We're gonna have a venison themed meal tonight.
We are. But the gamekeeper is also the chef or something, or knows the chef, one or the other. And so it's fresh from the Isle of Skye.
Yum. So tonight we have a 2017 Bourgogne Côte d'Or which is a Burgundy wine that I thought looked good on the description. It's not an expensive Burgundy. I think it's like $65, and it's very nice. It's very balanced, very soft. It has a good fruit, red fruit, raspberry, cherry, a little bit of blueberry almost on it. I think it would pair very well with Mrs. Carnes and me's matching dinners tonight. I made her order first, and then I ordered what she ordered. Because she always out-orders me. Not tonight.
I'm making you order dessert first, then I already know what I want for dessert. So we'll see what you order.
Slangeva.
Slangeva.
So we both ordered the venison tonight. It looks yummy. Mrs. Carnes is going through salad withdrawal, so this is the closest thing to a salad that you can get in Scotland. And those chips just came out of nowhere. I don't know where they came from.
Yeah, I didn't order them. Sticky toffee pudding. What's yours?
It's an apple date tart because there's only so much cheese that one man can eat in 1 week. And trust me, I tried. What are you doing?
I'm drinking my wee dram.
Is that Deanston you're drinking, Mrs. Carnes?
No.
What is it?
My new favorite. What's it called?
Clenlish?
Yeah.
Clenlish?
Glenlish.
Clen.
Glenlish.
Clynelish.
Yes.
And how did you learn about this?
After Johnny Walker.
Your new friend Ben at Johnny
My new
Walker?
friend. He took me on my private tasting. It's really
What do you
good.
say?
Good.
Cheers.
Slung lipped back. What is it?
Slangeva.
Thanks for watching, and join us again next week as we explore the beautiful Isle of Skye. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe. Say it again, I missed it.
St. Nick's Day.
Who sent you these St. Nick Sundays?
Gigi.
Gigi, what a good girl she is. Can you tell everybody to subscribe and like if they like St. Nick Sundays?
Subscribe and like if you like St. Nick's Sunday.